Welcome to episode 5.3 of Concept to Video Content. If you joined us before, we've gone over script writing, lighting, audio, teleprompter, trimming clips, captions, and today we're going to work on adding transitions between clips like this and this. And we will be adding zooms on your clips for visual depth. Now, there's nothing wrong with just a static talking head video, but adding these elements can add some visually interesting parts to your video clip to keep your viewers engaged and interested. I mean, in today's touch-and-go media, we are easily distracted. Let's go ahead and open Capcut and navigate to the editing interface with any clip you've pre-recorded. So the first thing you want to do with adding transitions is to separate the audio from the clip. The reason for this is that when you add a transition from one clip to another, it will also tweak the sound as part of the transition effect. If you don't want that to happen, then you need to separate the video from the sound. If you don't mind the sound being manipulated, or if you add a transition in your pauses in your speech, then you can skip this next step. To extract the audio, go ahead and tap on your clip to select it. Then click the edit function with the scissor icon at the bottom of your screen. From here, scroll to the right until you see the extract audio icon. Click this. You will now see your audio on your timeline as a separate layer. Now play through your video to see where you want to add a transition. I will pick this spot here. Since this is one long clip in this example, I would need to add a new split to my video timeline in order to add a transition. You can only add a transition where there is a split or cut between two clips. You cannot add a transition to a video where there are no cuts. So click the edit icon again, then with the spot chosen, click the split icon with the brackets. You can see now that both clips have been separated. You will need to click below in the empty area to deselect the clip and access the transition icon. Now the white square icon has appeared. Go ahead and click on this to access the transition menu. You'll notice again here that Capcut offers a variety of options and that some are marked with Pro. This is exclusive to paid subscribers, but you can still browse and find free to use ones that are great without spending any money. For this one, I'm going to scroll over a little and select the vertical blur option. Now I'm going to click the check mark at the bottom right to confirm and then press play to test the look. Looks great. Now to add a zoom, I will find another spot to cut, then click at it again, then split. Now do this again, but scroll a few frames down because you just want one section to be zoomed in, not the entire video clip. So from here, go ahead and select the separate clip you created and scroll through your menu below. This time, you will select the basic icon, then click Scale. Scroll to the left to zoom in on your subject, then click the check mark on the bottom right. Now, play through the test it, and voila, you've got some additional editing skills added to your abilities. Not too hard, right? So let's pause there, and for our upcoming videos, we'll move on to techniques like removing backgrounds, applying filters, and post-processing your audio. Until then, jump in and share your progress. Tap into Sellstate Alliance supportive community for growth, and feel free to drop your questions below. And as always, thanks for watching, and remember, success starts here with Sellstate Alliance Realty.